Hey everyone! My August order just arrived, so I thought I'd share what I got. I ordered the box of 30 of these, I guess sachets is how you say it? I don't know. These are nice because you can take them with you, throw them in your purse, pocket, backpack, whatever, take them with you. And then a box of 4 of these bottles. All it takes is 2 tablespoons. I just pour a shot glass of this and then add it into my drink, or you can take it straight. That's very tasty as well. And then we've got our golden turmeric. I add that into my Ningxia drink along with some collagen and sulfurzyme. But we got some Thieves dish soap. We were actually out and throwing dishes that should be hand washed in the dishwasher, but whatever. We're good now. And then we were running out of our laundry soap, so I ordered that. I'll probably order that again next month just to have that backup. Because I like having an extra just in case. And then because I ordered those things, which was super easy, it's like an easy button for health supplements and cleaning supplies. Young Living sent me, as a thank you, these multi-greens, this cute little supplements travel container. Life 9, which is a probiotic supplement. The multi-greens is a herbal supplement. Yeah, and then we've got the ginger vitality and lemon. So that will be going onto my cooking rack, and these supplements will be joining the rest of the supply. So that was it for this month. I try and post every now and then about what my husband orders on his. His is usually either something new or stuff that he uses, like the men's Sutron bar soap and beard oil and stuff like that. But that's it for my order this month. All right. Bye.